Yeah, little stars. It's a daycare center. Now I gotta be respectful for this guy. I don't know if he's on his phone or what he's gonna do. I'm gonna download this here video onto my computer. I can't wear my head helmet because it won't fit on there for some reason. I guess because it's too much slope on it. But I can wear it on my head. I'm just going to take it easy. Drive slow. No need to rush. Because I'm not really going anywhere. I'm going to make a right turn on Killer Drive. Then I'm going to make a left turn on, I think it's Jewel Drive. I'm not too sure. And always use your turn signals. I don't care if you're making a left turn, a right turn, or even a stop. Use your hand signals. After all, it is the law. Okay, Julie Drive, we're going to make a turn here. And we're going to go up on Julie Drive, and then we're going to make a right turn on Lower Drive, and then we're going to go back around a little bit on everything. I never went down this street. Let me go on Yvonne Drive here. She's on the right. A lot of times when people are outside and they see me, they wave at me and I wave back. I get asked a lot of questions sometimes about the tricycle and how much it costs and where you can get it at, and this one only costs $1,000. It's really like a cheap one because you can't really go that far. Maybe I would say maybe 16 miles before you run out of juice. Everybody, it seems like in this neighborhood, everybody's your friend. Like they know you, because they wave at you. Even when they're going past you in their cars. I like this neighborhood. It's a low income neighborhood, but I like it. I'm going to order about 3 more of these here. One for my dogs, and I'm going to make a ride up here. But I'm still going to keep on going. I'm not going to go home. I know these here two neighbors here, that guy and that guy. They're both disabled veterans, I believe. And that's a guy, he used to grow up when he was a kid and we went to the same church. His name is George. He's been awful helpful on a lot of stuff for me and Gene, who's our next door neighbor, or neighbor who's across the street, that I've known for a long time.